20th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2. This is from the Bluebook app, the easier set of reading and writing questions. Whenever they ask you the question about the conventions of standard English, always look at the answer choices first. You would identify the punctuation and ask yourself questions about that punctuation or the part of speech. And here we've got verbs, and for a verb, there's two things that could be wrong with it: tense and form, or subject-verb agreement. I recommend you check subject-verb agreement first. Read with it in front of each of them, and when you put it in front of each of them, answer choice C is the only one that makes sense. When you read with they in front of each of them, answer choice C is the only one that doesn't make sense. So C is going to be your answer. You always want to pick the one that doesn't belong. It's an indication that the subject is singular, and sure enough, document is the subject. The document, it's a document that outlines, not a document that outline or any of the others. Thank you for joining us today. See the full length video. Look all the way above this, and have a great day.